In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a DHL Express account. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website, and from here you want to click on Customer Portal Login top right, and then you want to go to this one where it says DHL Express Commerce Solution. So you want to click on that, and from here it's going to open a new tab here where you can see the DHL Express Commerce, and you can go and get started by clicking over here. And as you can see, you'll be able to register for a DHL Express Commerce account. So you want to select the country of your business over here. I'm going to go and search for my country over here. There we go. And then of course you want to type in your DHL Express account number if you have it already. But if you don't, you're going to have to click on request an account over here. And then it's going to take you to where you can of course open your account. So you have to go and of course type in your title, first name, last name, stuff like that. And then here, of course, the phone number, job titles, etc. Then you want to go for your company details and you want to review them. And when your account is going to be created, you will get your a DHL Express account number, and you can then go ahead and type it in here, click on the Let's Go button, and that way you'll be able to register for DHL Express Commerce. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.